We will now go to the next one. We have done dictate and all we have done. Now we were on template. Now let's see some of the templates new. See, this is the template what we have done for Eveready Spinning Mills, Dindigul. I don't know how many of you have seen what I was doing. I'll close it. So I go to File, New. I have this Ever2. Ever2 is a template. AVM is a template. So I have just clicked Ever2. So these things automatically came in. Now we will close this and go to a template. This template, I have taken permission from Mr. Gopalakrishnan to show. This is the template of Mr. Gopalakrishnan, this one. I will make it smaller. Is Mr. Gopalakrishnan available? Because I saw him in the beginning. Our past president, Mr. Gopalakrishnan, is available, please. Very well. Can you just check up participants may have?
The participant list is not available.
He is not available, sir.
Maybe he came in. I think he had some other work, he told me. Now, for all of you who are practicing cost accountants, this should be helpful to you. Now, this is a template. It is a letterhead. In fact, okay, this is a sample letterhead. His letterhead may not look like this. It's a sample letterhead. Now, this is what it says. In this, dear sir, this is the template made for you. You can change anything, whatever, you can write anything. Now, so on top, we have given the S. Mahadevan and Company cost accountant. Let us assume you are preparing a report, and on bottom, the company's address has completely come in and the page number has come in. And then more than anything, the company's seal with the initial is available here. So normally how you would have, suppose you want to send a PDF file to someone, your report. So what you will do, you will prepare it in correct me if I am wrong. I do not know. This is one of the ways what I am talking after talking to so many firms and offices. You first prepare the report, then put the seal, initial everywhere, then go to a scanner, scan it in a PDF and send it across. Am I right, Mr. Vadivel? If you want to send a PDF copy, scan the PDF, including
Correct.
the seal.
Huh? Yes, you are right, sir.
Now you need not do this. Your template is ready. You simply give your report. Every page, your seal will be there and your company name will be there, and then you will be able to proceed. This is how the template is made. Now, what we will do is, we can do a template from, I have requested Mr. Vadivel to give me a template, the seal. So what we will do, we will create a new template itself now with a blank document, because this will be, we come to header. Let us do one thing. We come to header. So we will do this A, Vadivel and O. See, don't worry about the formats. This may not be the exact format. So this is your header, and we will come to footer. Now what we will do, we will come to the footer portion. Again, we come to insert, footer, we edit footer. In footer, what we will do, we will first insert the, or we can write, first we will insert the picture of what Mr. Vadivel had given me for today's you can say session. This is Vadivel's, this one. So I will insert. We'll make it smaller. I'm just telling you how you can do, okay, so that later on you people can test it with yourself. Now, when you want to move this, it will not move now. I don't know how many of you have noticed whenever you are trying to insert a picture, it doesn't move. So for that, what you will have to do is right click and then there is a wrap text. Please have a look at this. When you right click, you will have a wrap text. You will have to do the in wrap text, you will have to say tight. The moment you are said tight, then it will come to you like a dog. Wherever you take it, it will go like this. So should I have to repeat this again? Right click a picture, wrap text, go to tight, then only it will start moving. Otherwise it will not move. Now what we will do, we will close it. Now we will come here. Let us say Varagadam, Chennai. Now we will go here and we will say insert page number, bottom page, current position. Okay, bottom of the page we will do. We take this. Okay, this is how it has come. Now we will do the picture again for us to understand. It's smaller. Now you say Varagadam, Chennai, right? Now your document looks like this. On top, Vadivel, on bottom it has come. Now you can make it as a template. So what you should do, save as. This PC, instead of documents, you will have to make it as document templates, DOTX. Now here we can give AVLH, that means A Vadivel letterhead. Now we will now close it. We will go to new. Just give me a second, please. We go to new. Then now you will have personal mail down below. You will have AV letterhead. When I click this, your complete letterhead along with the initials is available. Now you can go on be typing your report, or you can make the report also, body also in this, and then make the template. So your initial worry of making a report, then putting a seal on it, then doing a scan of that for 10 pages, 15 pages, it's all out. So it becomes easy for you to work. So this I thought will be quite useful to many of you. That is my thinking. That is what. So any comments on this, please? So this template gives you, and there are some software which I will send you in when I send you the follow-up email to all of you who have attended. I should thank Mr. Gopalakrishnan. He has given me this software. I was using some other software where the Mr. Vadivel had sent to me. I'll show you Vadivel's if you look at it, this is what he had sent at that time. So it becomes white, whereas it is transparent. If I put it in a green background, the background will be green. Yellow background will be yellow. So this PNG file is a transparent background file. So this is how we have made, and then we have come to this particular way of doing it. So this must be quite useful. So I need comments from you on this particular aspect. Anyone can give me a comment, please?
Actually, very good, sir. Generally, we used to take the printout and put the seal, sign, and we used to scan and send it to the customer. So this is very good. So we can implement this at the earliest.
You can implement it even tomorrow, sir. Your seal is ready. I can send this seal to you. So your seal is ready. Whatever you want to put in the header and footer, make it. You can make a report also, or one can be only a simple letterhead with the logo, signed. Anything you can do. The possibilities are endless.
If you have a color printer and bond sheet,
Yes.
it will look as if a printed letter.
Yes, sir. It will look like, sir. That is why I asked Mr. Vadivel. He gave me a lighter version. I wanted him to give me the darker version. I got it and then did it. For today's session, I was doing it.
Sir, this seal, how you scan it and keep it as a
Which one, sir?
normal picture? The scanner, the seal. Have you scanned it as a picture? How you have done?
Sir, what happens? The seal can be scanned as a picture, JPG file. Okay.
Okay.
Then there are some websites which takes this JPG and gives you back a transparent picture. That means here it is white background. I will explain to you, sir. 1 second. Let me open a Excel file. I'll just take a blank. Now we will insert whatever we were doing, the same thing. Picture. See, this is what we are spending time, when we are now working. Instead of that, if I had put the default directory as workshop made, today's workshop is 601. Word worksmart is the workshop. So had I put this as my default directory, the moment I open, this will open. So I would have definitely not spent at least 7-8 seconds. So this is what we have now done with the Vadivel. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now we will make it smaller so that it becomes now the moment you go to view and then remove the grid lines, you just see how beautiful it looks like. Okay, we'll put the grid lines for the time being. Now what happens? Normal picture when you do, when I make a colored background, now you just see, sir. In a normal picture, if you are taken a scan, the background will be white only. In the yellow background, within a white square, this picture will be available. Now it is not like that. It has totally become transparent. Whatever color I am going to give at the background, then this adjusts it. Just see. So this, even if you are going to put it in a colored paper for some reason, I don't know what reason. Sometimes you may give a colored report to someone, and then you want to put a seal. In that, if the seal is in a white background, it looks very odd. So it's like this. So this is a PNG file with a transparent background PNG file. Suppose I take this color now it has gone because there's a transparency, because both are same color, it has gone off. So we can do this. There are many options of doing it. So I thought this will be a good start for many of the at least practitioners who prepare with a signed copy of your report. This should give you a lot of option for you to spend less time and then spend more time on more constructive work.